Alright guys, I just looked down and saw that my camera was turned off. That's twice that's happened here recently. It's not hot out, so it didn't get hot. So I don't know why the camera would shut off. So I have no idea what I was saying and when it turned off, and or maybe it happened just now when I was adjusting the camera before I walked into that lady's garage, because I turned the camera down so it wouldn't be shining in her face, and nobody down there. I'm going. Yeah. So hopefully that was all. Hopefully you heard my conversation up to that point. I don't know. It's anyone's guess. This camera is a few years old now, so I probably need to replace it. As much as what I use it, I probably need to replace it. Toby's back there sneezing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, all kinds of stuff over here. Home decorations, I'm not going to browse all of them because I'm really not shopping for anything. If there's some that catches my eye or looks interesting, I'll zip in there. Look over here. Is there something down here? Somebody having a yard sale down here? It must be. No. You hush. Hush, 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 hush. Oh my goodness. He's got that reverse sneezing going on. You alright, dude? You get it out? Yeah, TV, golf clubs, electric lawnmower, riding toys, dog kennels.
Look at that grade figure. It's pretty cool, huh?
Cool. You could use that dog kennel. Oh, I wonder if that dog kennel would fit on the cargo trailer that I just got. See, I could throw Toby in the dog kennel and put him on the cargo trailer. Then he wouldn't have any shade from the sun. When it gets hot out, he'd be out baking in the sun like I do. Alright. I've already spotted quite a bit of photos and pictures, artwork type stuff this morning. There's some more. A couple of furniture pieces, coffee table. All items are pet free. Well, not if Toby goes up in there. Alright, let's keep on going. Let's see what else we can find. Camera still on? Yep, still on. See, now I'm going to be a little conscious of that. Morning. Yeah, I'll be a little conscious of that camera now. May just have to break down and buy. So it's a DJI brand, DJI Action 3. They came out with an Action 4 recently, but from what I hear is, it's not a lot that was improved on it. So I mean, it's a great camera, but typically no reason to go out and upgrade or anything. But I got a boat, all kinds of stuff up in the garage. Never mind, I'm interested in. Let's go over here. I don't need a boat. So anyway, yeah, I might upgrade finally and get the other camera. Yeah, some kids stuff over there, some house plants and stuff. Some stuff hanging. Alright. Yeah, not too many people participating. Oh my goodness. Even last year was busier than this, and last year wasn't that great. Well, Toby's enjoying it though, and he's being mostly civil. He hasn't been riding with me for a little while. Just been too busy, and every morning he loves going out to the garage. As soon as I get, eat a little something and stuff, he knows the next move is to move into the garage area, and boy, he starts getting excited. He runs out to the garage and stands by the leash because he knows he's going to get the leash, and I'll open up the door for him, and then he just lays out there in the sun, lays out there and watches people go by. He's gotten better with not barking at people or other dogs when they go by. He's almost done with that, it seems like. So he's been improving. a house for sale. That house is, I think that's new on the market. Must be new on the market today. I keep an eye out for that sort of thing. We got Halloween decorations. We got nothing else down here, so nobody. So it's a bust, but people just aren't interested in yard sales, I guess. You'd think in this economy where things are terrible, more people would be maybe doing it, but no. That's all right. Hopefully all this will be cleared out by about noon. The neighborhood's usually quiet and not a lot of traffic. So I like the peace and quiet. That's how I prefer things. Look, nothing down here either. Just Halloween decorations. So my daughter Amanda, she's big on Halloween. I am not big on Halloween. They did it up. Wow, they did it good. Good grief. Anyway, she said, Dad, you should do like a Halloween video or something. You know, we all dress up and go bike riding. No. I never dress up. I don't care for that sort of thing. You know, sorry. But then we did have the idea that, okay, so this would be cool. We'll do a Halloween video. I don't know, maybe a few days before Halloween or something. And we'll just ride around in the evening and check out all the decorations and stuff. Look at the mayhem. All the decorations and the things that people are doing. And oh my goodness. So we're organized over here. Lots of kids' clothes, kids' stuff. Oh, I bet the neighbors just love hearing that all the time. Yeah. Yeah. No thanks. Yep. No thanks. So, we actually had a neighbor a few houses down from us, which would make it this neighbor on the left, I think. Was that house? Maybe it was that house. Yeah, I think it was. So somebody moved in and they actually was renting that house. So they moved in. Uh-oh, Toby's gonna get all excited. No, Toby. No. Nope. Nope.
Just a tire.
He's going.
Hey, that's nice.
Yeah, thanks. All right, anyway, so yeah, it was actually the house that guy was at right there. So the guy, not him though, but that person that moved in there, they liked Christmas. I mean, I like Christmas. I love Christmas, right? And I love what Christmas stands for. But they, woo, they really outdid themselves. But then they had them coordinated music with the lights, which is kind of cool, like for the first evening that they turned it on. And then after that, it got real old real quick, and it was super loud. I mean, everybody up and down the street started complaining because it was so loud. We could hear it inside our homes. We were just listening to the same 5 Christmas songs or something that was flashing with the lights. And finally, I think they ended up getting the homeowners association involved and had him turn down his music and made him keep it civil. And then nothing over there either. Yeah, and then he was there the following Christmas. He was more civil. He actually, I think he kept the music off that year, which was fine. You know, I liked the lights. Then he got kicked out of the house. Yeah, I happened to be standing outside one day when the sheriff showed up to evict him. I don't know what his story was, but yeah, you know, that happens. All right, guys. So that was it. That was it. I think we're going to be done with this video. Not much happening there, not much to see. So yeah, it was a nice little morning ride. Got Toby out of the house, got me out of the house. But that's going to be it. So until the next video, which will probably be here shortly, you guys be safe. Alright, dude. Yep, I know you like laying there, so I'll open this up and you can just stay there for a while, dude. I know you. I know you. Mister? You like hanging out right there, don't you? Yeah, because that's your trailer. Just hanging out there, watching the people go by, enjoying the breeze that's blowing in the wind. The breeze blowing in the wind. The breeze that's blowing. Oh my goodness, the camera's still on.